Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim basic tutorial how to rotate sketch. You can go to plan view and as example I will draw a rectangle start from the origin point into here. Now if you use the move tools and select the objects and use this blue axis, the object will be not working to rotate because they are the constraint. So we need to delete the constraint. You can click at these icons to view constraint. And the next, click these X buttons to delete. You can select the constraint to delete, like this. And select again in here. And in the corner, you can delete this constraint. Okay. And the last constraint. And for this corner, select drop down menu. Delete the constraint, delete again at this constraint, delete, and delete. So we have only this constraint. So the next you can use the move tools, select all entities, and then you can click on the blue icons to rotate the sketch. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim basic tutorial how to rotate sketch. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.